As far back as I could remember, I always wanted to be a priest. Not because all the respect the society gives me. I know my elder brother wanted all that and the status too. He pretended to be a priest, walking around wearing my silk pancha and shalya, blessing people and reading horoscope. Well, I wasn't drawn towards the pride side of it. I still don't feel proud of what I do. I wanted to be a priest because I found the practice, the hymn chanting, like a hiding place. It was an escape route from this world. Maybe for a short while. It slowly became a habit and I spent most of my time in the hiding place. This is my life for the past 10 years.
ಬೇಗ ಕೊಡಕೇನೆ ನಿನಗೆ.
All predictions and the forecasts that I've done, believe me, I have done like thousands of them. But I did not see this coming. I read this news on November the 13th, a new moon day. It wasn't just another headline of murder we often read and forget. This headline made me curious. I felt it was going to get personal. I'm least affected by the grossness around me. I simply don't care. I was engrossed in my devotion when a couple came to me. I looked at the husband. He looked so holy. But he was a pimp who sold his wife. Nobody can see it but me. It's a curse. It's like radar, you know. I can sense these people. This noble man requested me to perform his marriage ceremony, a second marriage. A woman was found dead in a ditch a month ago. They said it was an accident. She was this man's first wife. Look at his reverence. He could easily cheat the Lord himself. That's sick, isn't it? Why do I care? It's not my business. I'm just a spectator. I usually spend my days chanting hymns and my nights cursing my brother. I cannot start describing what kind of a human he is. He inherited this godly quality from my father. What a bastard my father was. I saw what he was capable of doing to my mother. The day isn't far when you'll pay for your sins. Your God is not stepping down to save you from your ridiculousness. I'm put in charge to wipe the evil from the face of the earth. You have 2 days to mend your life, or you're next. They say an ignorant man sees death around him but never accepts the fact that someday he is going to die too. I was sucked right in without my will.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ ದುಡ್ಡು? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ? ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ? ಅಲ್ಲೇನು ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯಾ? ಯಾರೇ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲಿ? ಯಾರು ಅವನೇನ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಅವ್ನು ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ಉಳ್ಸಲ್ಲ ನಿನಗೆ. ರೂಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ. ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳು, ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ರೂಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಸೂಳೆ ಮಗ ಏನಂದ ಅವತ್ತು? ಕುಡ್ಕ ಮನೆ ಕುಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಯಾರೇ ಕೇಳೋರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಯಾರು ಕುಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ? ಏನ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮುಟ್ಬೇಡ, ಸಾಯಿಸಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣನ ಸಾಯಿಸಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳು. ಬಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೂಳೆ ಮಗ ಯಾವ್ದವನು? ಯಾರ್ಯಾವನು?
Mend your ways, or there will be blood. You have one day left. Do I deserve to die like this? I have followed one rule all my life. I try to live like a lotus in a filthy pond. That cannot be my crime. No, I don't know why these letters are sent to me. Tonight is the night. Where are we going?
To pay for your sin.
What was my sin?
Action in inaction.
What?
Your inaction against your brother's brutality.
It was his personal matter.
Your inaction against your father's brutality.
कर्मण्य कर्म यः पश्येद अकर्मणि च कर्म यः सा बुद्धिमान मनुष्येषु स युक्तः कृत्स्न कर्म कृत्. I did not act because you told me not to.
I thought you were a smart man, Mohan. I feel sad that you just read what is written. You failed to comprehend. Inaction is sinful than sin itself. Now, say it.
Inaction is sinful than sin itself.
What happened to your face?
It's nothing, sir.
It looks like somebody punched you. Forget it. I want you to come to the station. Patel, forensic. We need a detailed statement. I can clearly say that your brother has been choked to death. Choked. Do you suspect anybody? Like his co-workers or somebody who carried a grudge against him?
I thought those letters were sent to me. Just a minute, sir.
What was sent to you?
Nothing. I'll meet you at the station.
Okay.
What is he playing at? I suffered the whole time thinking I'm his next victim. What is the meaning of this? He killed my brother, and I'm sure he's trying to frame me. Why did you burn my letters, coward? You acted deaf and mute for the injustice happening in front of you. Is that what you did all these years? Is that why you become a priest? To preach how to be important like you? You turned a blind eye to a woman's torment. I took care of your brother while you sat there shamelessly chanting hymns. You know what you should actually burn? Your worthless body. You impotent son of a bitch.
कर्म यः पश्येत् कर्मणि च कर्म यः स बुद्धिमान् मनुष्येषु स युक्तः न कर्मकृत्
Every time an indolent priest and a desperate vigilante come face to face, it's a brutal war. I'm playing host to these two facets for a long time. I knew eventually one will suppress the other. Finally, the vigilante has won. People like my brother called for it. People like my father called for it. I don't feel proud for the frontier justice served, nor I feel guilty for taking the law in my hands. Is it the inaction in action the Lord was talking about?